to our YouTube channel kanakinfosystems LLP. Today my topic is how to use Go router in Flutter. First create Flutter app, then add Go router dependency in YAML file. This is my Go router dependency. Add this YAML file. This is my dependency Go router. Then after, first of all, add main dart, add router, material dot router. Then after, create first screen. This is my first screen. Add, go to text, second screen. Add text for second screen. Then after, create a router generator class. This is my router generator class. Then after, create router generator class and add your all screen. Then after, first screen, and this is my second screen. Router host name and navigate screen name. This is my launcher screen. First screen is my launcher screen. After, add first screen and tab view, add router navigation. Context.push router.navigate screen name. Go router package is used for navigate and router Flutter application. Then after, run the app and view the code. This is my run app. Click text for go to second screen. Open the second screen using the Go router. Back to first screen. Thank you guys.